What's up, everyone? Stashing Worthy Acorns again. I'm Russ. Thanks for checking my video out. So I'm excited to show you what happened with my portfolio, but before I do, there's a few things I want to talk to you about. Numero uno. Do you remember when the president said that we were in for a few weeks of pain, and I posted this headline? You know what happened? This happened. The exact complete opposite. The market had its best week in 45 years. He doesn't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Second, it wasn't until I was in my mid-30s that I developed a debt allergy. I stopped buying liabilities and I started buying more assets. It really kind of hit me around that time that when I'm buying things and paying interest on them, I'll end up paying more for the thing I bought than it was actually worth in the store. I know most of you will be getting stimulus checks, and after you buy the necessities, I would really consider paying down some debt. Start the habit of paying down your debts. It really will develop into something that'll be hard to break over time. Also, if you're thinking about not paying and just skipping out on payments, don't. Please don't, because you'll ruin your credit for the next 7 to 10 years. If you don't have a lot of debt, I would strongly recommend starting an emergency fund. I have one at CIT Bank. It's a high-yielding online savings account. There's also Ally Bank, are two fantastic options. If you don't know where your money's going and you don't know how to save it, I'd strongly recommend a budget. The Mint app is fantastic, and also you can check out someone like Dave Ramsey. I know a lot of people don't like the name, but he has helped millions of people get out of debt. Once you start seeing where your money's going, you can start making changes and you can be very purposeful with your money. If there's one saying that encapsulates this thought, it's Chris Hogan's: interest that you pay is a penalty. Interest that you receive is a reward. And if you're impatient, if you're loaded up with debt, if you don't have an emergency fund and you don't want to budget, but you still want to get investing into the market, well, I'd recommend one of these 3 apps that I'm reviewing. And for the quick recap of what I did, I'm investing into Stash, Worthy Bonds, and Acorns. I started out with $50. I'm putting $5 a week into Stash and Acorns, and I'm putting $20 a month into Worthy Bonds.
All right, let's get back to business.
And we're here now. No transitions, no fades. We're going to get into the portfolio. Stash is currently sitting at $75.19. So that's an overall dollar gain of $5.19 and a percentage gain of 7.42. I bought $5 worth of Procter & Gamble this week. And the way I'm doing that is whatever position is the lowest, that's what the $5 is going to go to. I was on the Seeking Alpha website looking at their Dividend Increases article, and guess what? Apple, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, all expected to get increases the month of April. How cool is that? And we'll keep rolling it over to Worthy Bonds. Worthy's at $70.17, which is a 17-cent gain, or 0.34%. But I have not lost a penny so far. It was never below any of the money that I put into it. And what also is cool about Worthy is there was an issue with my recurring investment on the first of the month. So I chatted with their customer service on the app. They got it to me right away. It took about a day and a half. They were in constant contact with me the whole time. It was smooth as silk. That was a big plus in my mind. And also what's cool about Worthy is no fees. Hey, and check this out. I promoted the channel on Twitter, and Worthy hit me back with a shout out. How awesome is that? That is really cool. I love it. Very good PR. They're very communicative and interactive with all of their customers. So very cool. So yeah, I don't know where you are stashing Acorns, but if you want to give me a shout out. Last but not least, Acorns. Acorns is at $75.91, which is an overall gain of $5.91 for a percentage gain of 9.09%. 2 more things to look at here with Acorns. You can see your percentage distribution across all the funds, and then you can also see your dollar distribution across all the funds. And one more thing, check this out, dividends. That's right, I'm getting dividends from Acorns, from Stash, from my IRA, from my brokerage account. It's raining dividends here. So after a few weeks in, I'm still really digging Stash. It's my favorite of the 3, but I'll tell you what. Worthy Bonds, much love. Great customer service, great platform, no fees. They even gave me a shout out on Twitter. And if you want to invest with very little risk and still get that sense of money coming in while you sleep, you got to go Worthy. Worthy Bonds. And now the disclaimer. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is me sharing a hobby, a side experiment for fun and entertainment. If you do want to invest in the stock market, which is risky, you need to do your own research and you need to consult with a licensed financial advisor. Alrighty, that wraps up another episode. I'll be back next week and I hope you will too.